Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on Samsung Galaxy A24. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens, so we have to do it by the other way. In the first step, open the Play Store and look for the Google Lens app. Install it and open. Now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google by tapping on this one camera icon. After that, click on the blue button and add a permission to camera. Now you can take the photo or just pick something from your gallery. You have to add a permission again and just now select the photo that you want to search in the Google. Then whole process starts automatically and we are looking for similar or the same image objects in the Google picture database. You can also change the searching area to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.